Welcome to this Bench Tax software review. Find helpful links in the description below. Bench is cloud-based accounting designed for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Unlike traditional tax software, Bench combines automated financial tracking with dedicated bookkeepers. Ideal if you need expert support but lack the time for DIY finance management. Bench standout feature? It's hands-off bookkeeping. Connect your bank accounts, and Bench automatically imports and categorizes transactions. Your dedicated bookkeeper reviews everything, ensuring accuracy and saving you hours of manual data entry. Get clear, detailed financial reports essential for understanding your business's health and tax preparation. Bench generates easy-to-read income statements, balance sheets, and tax-ready reports for accurate filing. It also tracks tax liabilities, keeping you prepared year-round by organizing your financials. No more manual reconciliation, a huge help for small business owners and freelancers unfamiliar with accounting or tax laws. Bench streamlines tax filing by providing shareable reports for your tax preparer or accountant. Offload the complexity of accounting and tax prep while maintaining control over your financial data. Its hands-on bookkeeping is perfect for busy entrepreneurs who prioritize accuracy and up-to-date financials. Bench makes managing taxes and finances simpler and more efficient. For more details, check the links below.